What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here. It is episode 25 of the TOPSTEP Takeover series. And I know, guys, I know. You guys missed me, didn't you? You missed me. I took a little break. I decided just to trade my live account. I took a little break from the TOPSTEP accounts, but I'm back. And you can tell by the title of the video, we hit an absolute banger on this trade right here on US30. Now, I did lose my previous account. I think I told you guys that. I did lose my previous account, but I paid for another one, and we are trading it right now. We are currently trading it. Let me actually show you that well, first off, you can see right here the ticker symbols. Entry entered on this candle, exited on this candle right over here. Look at the precision, beautiful precision. And then price just absolutely reversed from there after TP got smacked. But let me show you on TradeOvate before anything. It's episode 25, guys. I hope you guys are excited, just as excited as I am. I've seen the comments. A couple people have been asking for me, or I think it was one person asking for me. But nonetheless, appreciate you guys for sticking with me on this journey, guys. We are going to continue to scale up these accounts. We are going to continue to push forward and, like I said, get consistent payouts with TOPSTEP and take over TOPSTEP. That's exactly what the name of the series is, TOPSTEP Takeover. I named it that way for a reason. Anyways, let me go ahead and prove to you that this is actually accurate right over here. Nothing false over here, no flagging. I saw a comment that said, oh, this is pure demo account. Although this is demo account, I am funded. You trade, when you're funded, you trade on a demo account, but you get paid actual money. So I'm pretty sure you're new to trading, so you don't understand quite yet. I'm pretty sure you're new to trading. Today, I took one trade. Took one trade today and profited beautifully at 3,500 bucks. You guys see, nothing to hide here. Boom. One trade on US30. Profited 3,500 bucks. You can see YM, which is US30, up 3,500 on this account. But nonetheless, let me go ahead and break this trade down for you guys. You can see the ticker symbols. Absolutely beautiful. I'm sorry about that. Let me go ahead and break this trade down for you guys. Excuse me, that was disgusting. So, US30, going into market open. This was actually a pre-market setup. Absolutely beautiful. And then the market open flowed with it. It was beautiful, and TP got hit, and you guys can see that it reversed from there. Going into pre-market, price was around right here. We created a low. I was looking for price to take out this low. Until price takes out this low, my bias is still sells. My bias is still shorts. Price got close to it. Price did not take it out yet. And also on the 4 hour, there's a huge imbalance up here. As we scale down lower time frames, let me actually scoot back a little bit. We went a little too far. You see MLBM happening on the 5-minute time frame. MLBM, boom. We get confirmation that MLBM has happened. We break to the downside. At this point, all I'm waiting for is for price to come back into this order block and give me my setup. You can see, boom, this impulsive 5-minute candle. This was not market open. This was not news. This was just a regular 5-minute candle. These are Trump markets, guys. These are Trump markets. The markets are a lot more volatile, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Everything is moving. Forex pairs are moving. Indices are moving. Commodities are moving. Everything's moving. So I absolutely love it. And like I said, traders can definitely capitalize on this. And if you're not capitalizing on this, this is your loss. The Trump markets are here. And I'm absolutely loving the volatility. You just have to make sure you position yourself and risk accordingly. Risk accordingly. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. And you'll be just fine if you have a profitable strategy. If you don't have a profitable strategy, just go ahead and email me and I will help you out with that. CelestinCapital@gmail.com. Once again, Celestin Capital, CELESTIN, capital@gmail.com. And I'll get back to you. But nonetheless, we are in this order block. We have broken below the low. Now, here's where the funny part is. This trade was actually supposed to make me around 2,100 bucks. Because the markets are so volatile and liquid, if I would have gotten in on this candle, I would have been risking about 1,000, 1,200 bucks, 50% of my account, basically, just to make this trade. Although I would have made a lot of money. Actually, I wouldn't have made as much money as I made with the trade that I took today. I would have been risking a lot of money just to make a little less money than I made today. I've been risking about 1,000 just to make maybe 2,000-3,000, whatever the case is, if I would have gotten in on this candle. But because I didn't want to risk 1,000, which is not proper risk management, I decided to put a sell limit all the way, like right, I think it was above here somewhere. I believe it was up here. Let me actually see where it was. Drop down to the 1 minute time frame. So you can see I literally got in on the top. I was supposed to get in right here, like I showed you. I was supposed to get in right here. Ended up getting in on this candle right here, this fill right here. So my entry was literally like right here somewhere. Entry right here. Stop loss still the same. I didn't move my stop loss. Stop loss was still above this high over here. But my entry just went up. So it went from a 1 to 3 trade to a 1 to 8.5 or so. I got in on this candle right over here. You can see this is proof, no hiding or anything. You can see I got in on this candle, exited on this candle. So this 1 to 3 trade ended up turning into a 1 to 8.5, which is why I made so much money on it. It's not that I was over leveraging, over risking. It's because I moved my entry point in order to risk less, because if I would have gotten in, like I said, down here on this candle, I would have been risking $1,000. In this case, I was risking only like $350 or $400. So that was beautiful. At this point, I have a buy limit. Like I showed you, I had a buy limit. It wasn't a 1 to 10. It was like a 1 to 8.5. At this point, I'm activated into the trade. And I'm looking to go break even once price crosses this imbalance, when price fills this imbalance. So you can see right after I get tapped in, the very next 5 minute candle just absolutely engulfs, absolutely flushes the other two candles, the previous 2-3 candles. And that was showing a lot of sell side momentum. And you can see at this point, I'm at break even on this trade. A beautiful entry at break even. Right now, it's a risk-free trade. And there was nothing to worry about, because the very next 5 minute candle, I think it was, boom, hit TP. The very next 5 minute candle after I went break even, hit TP. And this trade was absolutely beautiful. The markets were beautiful today. And thankfully, I was able to capitalize. Everything worked out perfectly. This is literally me showing you guys the trades. All right, you can't fake these ticker symbols, these entry exit symbols. I don't think you can. If you can, I'm not. I should literally show you everything all the time. There's nothing for me to hide on this channel. So that is a trade, guys. Like I showed you, I made $3,500, $3,520. And yeah, guys, we're en route to getting where we need to get to. And we just need to continue being consistent in whatever we do, staying focused and being consistent. So hope you guys enjoyed episode 25. I will see you guys in episode 26. And like I said, make sure you guys are risking properly, especially in these volatile markets, because Trump markets are here.